Assalamu alaikum dear student. I am going to solve advanced level. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Advanced level of exercise 4A. Its question number 12 is find the product. Here we have to find the products. Its A part is 1 over 4 x square y, and we have to multiply it with 16 over 5 xz cube yz cube. So you will multiply fraction with fraction and alphabet with alphabet. So see, 1 over 4 x square y, you can use bracket, you can also use multiplication sign, it doesn't matter. Now you can see that 16 and 4 have same table, you can cancel them out. 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16. There is no any term that can be cancelled out or that is being divided, so write it as such: x square 4 over 5 first, 4 over 5, then from this x square, and this y has 1 degree and this y has also 1 degree, so there will be degree 2 of y square. Then z is only single and it has cube, there is degree 3 that of z, so this is the answer. Then there is 13, question number 13. Question number 13. 12 has only one expression. 13 is to expand, and you know that what do you mean by expand? Expand mean to remove all the brackets, and we should solve this sum on the other page so that it can be fully at the same page and our understanding become easier while we write same question at a separate page. And the question number 13, A part, to expand, it is 8x minus y, then x plus 3, then x plus 3y, bracket close, then minus into 4x plus y, then 9y minus 2x. Now you can solve it separately because here are complex two terms, one term is this and one term is this, and it has two expression, one is this and one is this. We have to multiply these two together and then these two together, and then we will subtract all together. Now write here 8x, this 8x out of the bracket and this whole term inside the bracket, x plus 3y. Now again this minus y before the bracket and this whole one in the same bracket, Remember that always you will split the first term as it is 8x and minus y, and you will place same term in the bracket here and also this term in the bracket here, so that you can completely multiply it without any mistake. This is the best method of multiplication, as it is minus sign and I have to multiply two terms, so you should use a square bracket so that there is no chances of mistake after multiplication because of this minus sign. This 4x and this whole term inside the bracket, that is 9y minus 2x. Similarly, this plus y here, and again the same term is in the bracket. Now close the square bracket. Equal sign should be below equal sign as far as possible. 8 ones are 8 and x multiplied by x is x square. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24 and x multiplied by y is xy, minus when x multiplied by y it will become xy, and due to this minus sign you will change the inner sign. Y multiplied by y, y square, then minus, and also use bracket yet. 4x multiplied by 9y, 4 9s are 36, x multiplied by y is xy, and then 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8, and x multiplied by x is equal to x square up to here. Then plus of this sign, y multiplied by y is y square, 9y square, y multiplied by 2x minus 2xy. Always arrangement is xy, xy, xy here, so that while adding or subtracting we do not face any difficulty. 8x square, write it as such because it is a single term up to this expression, and plus 2y and minus 1xy, you have different sign plus and minus, so you should subtract 1xy from 24xy and the sign should be of bigger term. The answer is 23xy, then this minus 3y square. Now here 36 xy minus 8xy, 8x square, sorry we should write here minus 2xy as it is a like term, but I have written the same term, sorry for that. Now you should remove the bracket, although you can solve these in the smaller bracket, and you can also remove the bracket in this step. Let us solve these. Here 36 xy and this minus 2xy is here, then minus 8x square, this one, and plus 9y square. Now you see here 36 has plus sign and minus 2xy is that of minus, so we will subtract 8x square plus 23xy minus 3y square minus, and From 36 remove 2, the answer is 34. Due to different sign, I have subtracted these two. Then minus 8x square plus 9y square. Now remove this bracket because it is simplified form inside the bracket. No matter if you can open bracket here and then you can add and subtract, but in this way it becomes simple. 8x square plus 23xy minus 3y square minus, due to this minus sign you will change the inner sign, 34xy plus 8x square minus 9y square. Now get another arrangement. As it is 8x square, find other x square. This one is also x square. It is also 8x square. Find another x square. There is no other x square. Now write 23xy, and this one is also xy, 34xy. I have written same terms at the same place. Now minus 3y square, and this one is also minus 9y square. Now you see that I have written same term together at the same place. 8 and 8 makes 16, and x square will be there. Then you see that here is plus sign and here is minus sign. Due to these opposite sign, we will subtract and we will write the sign of bigger term, that is minus 34. Bigger term is minus 34, so this is wrong sign. I have to write here minus, and after subtracting 23 from 34, the answer is, when you will subtract 3 from 4, the answer is 1. When you will subtract 2 from 3, the answer is 1. 11xy, that of minus, and here you can see the same sign, so you will write the same sign, and 3 and 9 makes 12, so you will write 12y square. This is the answer of this question. Now there is B part of advanced level. Question number 13, part B, that is 10x plus y, then 3x plus 2y, then minus into 5x minus 4y into minus x minus 6y whole bracket. Again you will solve in the same way as I have solved A part. Write 8x here and whole term, this whole term or second term in the bracket. Now plus y here, again the whole term inside the bracket. Minus this minus here and start square bracket. Due to this minus sign, write 5x here and whole term in the bracket. Again minus 4y here and whole term inside the bracket. Also close the bracket. Now you can see that 10 multiplied by 3 is 30, and x multiplied by x is x square, plus 10 multiplied by 2 20, and x multiplied by y xy, y multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3, and y multiplied by x is equal to again xy. You will write like this arrangement. Now 2 and y multiplied by y is y square minus start bracket 5x multiplied by minus x, then there will be minus 5x square because this minus and this plus makes plus minus minus, and then 5x will be multiplied by 6, this minus here, and 5 6 are 30, x multiplied by y xy, then this minus, and due to this minus you will change the inner sign, minus minus plus y 4 x multiplied by y xy. Now also change the inner sign, it will become plus. You can say minus minus plus, or 4 6 are 24, and y multiplied by y is y square, only single bracket is here. Now I am doing this in a separate way, and now I am opening all the bracket and I am going to arrange the like terms. 30x square plus 20xy plus 3xy Dear student, listen again. You can solve this question in the same way as I have done A part, this one, but here I am doing a different method so that you may understand that we can try any other method as well. Therefore I am solving it in a different way. I have written this term as such. Due to this minus sign, I will remove the bracket and change the inner sign, minus minus plus, and 5x square here. Then due to this minus it will change plus, and 30xy here. Due to this minus sign you will change the inner sign, this one, minus 4xy. Due to this minus sign change this sign, minus 24y square. Now you can arrange the like terms. Arrange the like term please. 30x square, find any other x square that is here, minus 5x square, find other x square, there is no any other x square. So now this 20xy plus 3xy, then 30 plus 30xy minus 4xy. I have written x square together, and then xy along each other and at the same place, so that I can subtract and add these easily. Then there is plus 2y and plus 2y square, and here is also minus 24. This was minus 24, from here minus 24y, minus 24y square. Y square has two terms. Now count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, because both the number of both the terms of both steps is same, so there is not any missed term. Now from 30 you can remove 5, the answer is 25, because it is of plus and it is of minus, so you will subtract, and from here you can see that it carries plus sign, it carries plus sign, it carries plus sign, so we will add these which carry plus sign, write them by adding 30 plus 20 50, 50 plus 3 53. You can add verbally 53, and because up to here is the same sign, that is a plus sign, I have written here. Now there is only single term that carries minus sign, that is 4xy. Now for these two you see that minus 24 plus 2 are that of y square, and they have different signs, so we will subtract, and after subtracting you will get, because bigger term contain minus sign, I will write here minus sign, and from 24 you will subtract 2. The answer is 22 y square. Here you see 53xy, it was 53xy, so it is of plus and this is of minus. You will subtract these. When 4 is subtracted from 53, the answer is 49 xy. Because of bigger term that contains plus sign, I have written here plus sign. Now 22y square. This is the answer of this part. 14 is also to expand. This one is, A part is 2x minus 3y plus into x plus 5y minus 2. I have to multiply these two terms. Quite simple question. See here, write 2x here and whole of this term inside the bracket. No matter how much bigger is it, this minus 3y here, this minus 3y here, and again the whole term inside the bracket. Now you should multiply this 2 1, 2 ones are 2, and x multiplied by x square. Then again 2 multiplied by 5, 2 multiplied by 5 10, and x multiplied by y xy. Then 2 multiplied by 2 4, and x is here. Then 3 multiplied by 1 3, and y multiplied by x, again xy. Write like this, and due to minus sign you will change the inner sign. And 3 multiplied by 5 15, y multiplied by y square. Due to this minus sign you will change the inner sign, and 3 2s are 6, y will be here. I have removed the bracket. Now you will arrange the similar terms. 2x square, x square is only single term, then this plus 10 xy, and then minus 3xy. Then there is minus 4x, and only the last term is 15y square, sorry, then also 6y. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Number of term is same. We are doing right. This is plus 10 xy, this is minus 3 xy. Terms are same but carries different sign. So you will write the sign of bigger term and remove 3 from 10. Answer is 7. Then minus 4x is not matching to any terms. Minus 15y square is not matching, and 6y is also, it also doesn't match with any term. So I have written. Then there is B part of question number 14. This one is x plus 4 into x square minus 5x plus 7 whole bracket. Now write this x before the bracket and this whole term inside the bracket. Again plus 4 out, and this whole term inside the bracket. Always split the first term and write second term in the combined form. While multiplying, x multiplied by x square is x cube, and 5 1 5s are 5, and x multiplied by x is equal to x square. Then x multiplied by 7 is 7x. Then 4 multiplied by x square is 4x square. Then 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20, and x is there. Then 4 multiplied by 7 is equal to 28. I have multiplied these. Now arrange these. X cube is only term, there is not any matching term with it, and minus 5x square is matching to plus 4x square. Then plus 7x is matching to minus 20x, because both have x. Then plus 28 is the only term. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, number of terms is same. Now I should add or subtract these. X cube is only term. I am going to write the second step here. X cube is only term, it is same. Now see, minus 5x square and plus 4x square, they have different sign, and we will subtract, and we will remove 4 from 5 and will write the sign of bigger term, that is minus sign, and x square will be here, because when you will remove 4 from 5, the answer is 1, and 1 x square is here. Then plus 7x and minus 20x. From minus 20 you will remove plus 7, the answer will be of minus, because of bigger term, and you will write here 13. After removing 7 from 20, the answer is 13x. Then plus 28, last term 28. Now there is no any matching term, so this is the answer. Dear student, also arrange this question number 14 part A, this one according to the descending degree of x. So I am going to arrange it here. 2x square first, and then x minus 4x has degree 1, so it will be after 2x square, after x square, then plus 7 xy, because here is also degree of x is 1, but also there is y, and this y has first degree, and this y plus 6y also has degree 1, and then minus 15 has degree 2. Descending degree of x and ascending degree of y. When the degree of x is up to 0, here the degree of y starts. Now C part of question number 14. The C part is x minus 1 into x square plus 2x minus 1. Solve it. Remove x here and whole of the term inside the bracket. Then minus 1 here, and whole second term inside the bracket. Now x multiplied by x square is x cube, and x multiplied by x square is x is x square, and x when multiplied by 1 is x, minus 1 multiplied by x square is x square, and due to this minus sign change the inner sign, and 2x will remain same because of 1 when multiplied by 2x it will be 2x, then 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1, and change the inner sign due to this minus sign. This is the answer up to here. Now arrange the similar term. This is x cube, it has no similar term, and 2x square has a similar term, that is minus x square, and minus x has a similar term, that is minus 2x, and plus 1 is same. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Always count the term when you are arranging so that you can find any missing term. X cube will be written as such, and this plus 2 and this is minus 1. You will remove minus 1 from plus 2. The answer is 1x square, and from these two same terms, minus 1x and minus 2x makes minus 3x, and then plus 1. Due to same sign I have added, and I have written the same sign here. Then D part. Three x square minus 3x plus 4, first term, and then 3 minus x is the second term. No matter, you can split this term and you can write this bigger term inside the bracket. Write 3 here and this whole term inside the bracket now. Because I have broken this term and I have written here 3, and I will write this whole term inside the bracket. Now minus x here, and again the whole term inside the bracket. Now you should multiply 3 3s are 9 and x square there, minus 3 3s are 9 and x there, plus 3 4s are 12, minus x when multiplied by x square it will become x cube, and 3 1s are 3 here. Due to this minus sign change the inner sign, and 3 will be there. X multiplied by x is equal to x square, plus due to minus sign you will change this plus sign into minus sign. Right here minus sign, and 4x will be here. Now arrange the similar term, no matter wherever they are. Minus 3x, first I should write the similar term, that is x cube. X cube is the biggest degree term. We will write it first. 3x 3, then x square plus 9, x square to second degree of x, then plus 3 x square, it is also second degree term. Now minus 9x, and this one is also minus 4x. Then there is plus 12, it will be written at the end. Now count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. These two were mistakenly written. Now from here you see that minus 3x cube is the only term, and you will write it as such. Here plus 9x square and plus 3x square both have same sign. You will add and you will get 12x square. These also have same sign, -9 and -4. Write the same sign and add these. It will become 13x. Then plus 12 is here. Check the degree. X power 3, x power 2, x exponent 1, then 12. This is 15. Question number 15 of advanced level. Part A is x square y square minus 2xy minus 15. We have to factorize it. We know that its coefficient is 1 and that of 15 is constant term. We will multiply these. 15 is the answer, and you will find the pair of these. And you know that 5 multiplied by 3 is also equal to 15, and when you subtract 3 from 5, the answer is 2. And because this 2 is of minus, so you will change the sign. Minus will be 15 and 5 will be of minus sign and 3 will be of plus sign, so you can get minus sign here. This is our suitable pair, and 5 3s are 15, and after subtracting you can also get this term. Both the condition are being fulfilled with the help of these. By multiplication you should get this, and by subtracting or adding you should get this. Again listen, by multiplication of the number you should get this one, and by adding or subtracting you should get this one. So this is the right way of solving factorization. Now you write x square y square and this pair here, minus 5xy and plus 3xy, and then minus 15 here. From 5 remove 3, answer is 2, minus 2. Now take xy as common. Xy will remain in the bracket and minus 5 will also be there. Then plus 3 as common and xy in the bracket, and when 15 is divided by 3, the answer is 5 here. See, both x minus 5y, xy minus 5, xy minus 5, xy minus 5 are same terms. So we have our factorization right. It proves that our factorization will be right if both these terms are same. And I have written the same term, I have taken them common. Now x y plus 3 is here. Now see question number B part of question number 12. 12 from here and 40 from here. These are to multiply. 12 zeros are 0 and 12 fours are 48. From 480 you should find the pair, and to find the pair you should use prime factorization method. With 2 divide it, you will get 2 and 4 0. Again with 2 divide 240, you will get 1 2 0, and 120 will be divided by 2, the answer will be 6 0. When 60 is divided by 2, the answer is 30. When 30 is divided by 2, answer is 15. And when 15 is divided by 3, the answer is 5 only. This is complete factorization. You can see that all the numbers are prime number. So our factorization has been completed. Now find the pair by hit and try method. We have to get 17, and if you use 2 2 2, it will become 8, and 2 2 4 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 2 bigger, 2 2 2 2 16 up to here, 16, and 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. After from 30 remove 16, the answer will be, if we remove 16 from 2 5s are 2 3s are 5, 5 30, the answer will be 30 minus 16. The answer is 4, 14. Now it is not matching to this. Try any other way. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. If we have these two as 24 and 4 multiplied by 5 20, again I can't get the same pair. Now if I have dear student, you should try this. If you try this 15, this one is 15, 3 5s are 15, and all these two twos make 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. From 32 subtract 15, 32 minus 15, the answer is 17. And if you write minus 32 plus 15, the answer will carry minus sign also. So if you multiply 32 by 15, the answer is 480 also. So it is fulfilling the condition. You will try different pairs and finally you will get the final pair of your need. Now write this pair here: 12x square y square minus 32 xy and plus 15 xy, then minus 40. Now take common. You can take 4 common from here, then there will be 4xy out of the bracket due to these xy, and then 4 3s are 12, 3xy inside the bracket, then 32 divided by 4, answer is 8. Only 8 will be in the bracket. Then take 5 as common. You can write 5 3s are 15, 3xy in the bracket, and then when 40 is divided by 5, the answer is 8. Now see, 3xy minus 8, 3xy minus 8 are the same terms, so we take them as common and our factorization also right. This 4xy plus 5 out of the bracket. Then there is C part of this 15, question number 15. This one is 4x square y square z minus 22 xyz plus 24 z. Now you should multiply 4 to 24 and then you should find the pair. I am going to solve it here on the upper side of the page. 4 multiplied by 24, 4 4s are 16 and 4 2s are 8 and 1 9, 96. Find the pair of 96 with prime factorization. 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16. Then 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Then 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Then 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. This is a complete factorization. We have to find the pair from these numbers so that we can get 22, that is middle term. and if we write 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12 up to here and 8 up to here, and 12 and 8 makes 20. It is not right pair. Now try 6. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 6 is 22. Like this, 2 3s are 6 and up to here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. If you add 6 and 16 you can get minus 22. So 16 multiplied by 6 is 96 and minus 16 minus 6 is equal to minus 22, which are our required condition, and this is fulfilling the condition. Now use them in your question. 4x square z minus 16 xyz, then this one minus 16 xyz, then minus 6 xyz. No matter, you can write 16 first or 6 first, no matter, the answer will be right. Then 24 z. Now take common. You can take 4, and from 4 and 16 you can take 4 as common, and then x y z here, x y z here, also take x y z as common. Then there will be only x and y here because z is out, and when 16 is divided by 4, answer is 4, and all x y z are out of the bracket, we will not write here. Then minus 6, 24 can be divided by 6, so 6 is our common factor. Then x y z, here is only z, you can take z as common. Due to minus sign you will change the inner sign and you will write only xy here because here is not xy, and xy will be remainder here. Then due to minus sign change the inner sign, and 24 when divided by 6 it will be 4, and z is out, you will not write here. Again x minus 4, xy minus 4, xy minus 4 are same terms, so our factorization is right. Write the same term first, xy minus 4, then 4xyz minus 6z. This is the answer of this part. Sorry, you can take 2 as common from 4 and 8, from 4 and 6, so take 2 as common, and 4 2 2s are 4, 2 will be there, 2xyz minus 6 divided by 2, answer is 3, and 3z. Write this whole term here. This one is the final answer. Now there is D part. That is 2x square plus 5 over 3 xy minus 2y square. Dear student, you can see that this is its middle term is of fraction, and it is very difficult to think about fraction, what should be added and what should be subtracted. So try a simple method. I am going to remove the fraction first. and I am doing its rough working here. If I take common 1 over 3 from these terms, from all these terms, it means that I should divide these terms because it is 1 over 3. I am taking 1 over 3 as common. It means that I should multiply these terms by 3. When you multiply these terms by 3, you 3 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by this 2, x square, then plus 3 multiplied by 5 over 3 xy minus 3 multiplied by 2 y square. It means that whenever we are taking common as multiple, it will be divided, it will divide all the terms, and if we take in the form of division as it is 1 over 3, it is multiplying all the terms. So if you multiply these, you should remain 1 over 3 should remain here, and 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. 3 2s are 6x square, and cancel out this and this, only 5x y will here, and then 3 2s are 6, 6 y square is here. Now our term has changed like that. We can solve it easily by factorization. So write this term here, 1 over 3 into 6x square plus 5xy minus 6y square. Now find the pair. Find the pair. 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36, and you know that 9 multiplied by 4 is also equal to 36, and from 9 subtract 4, the answer is 5. 9 minus 4, the answer is 5, and 9 multiplied by 4, the answer is 36. Both the conditions are being fulfilled, so this is our pair. Write it here. Six x square as such plus 9xy minus 4xy, this minus 4, and then minus 6y square. Now take common. Now take common from these. 1 over 3, 3 is common and x is also common. So write 3 2s are 6, 2x inside the bracket, then plus 3 3s are 9, and x is out, only y will be there, then minus 2 is taken as common from 4 and 6, and y is also common. Write 2 here. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and x is here from this x, then due to minus sign change the inner sign, and when 6 is divided by 2, the answer is 3. 1y is also here. This is our complete factorization of this part. You should not write here this bracket. 1/3 into 3. You see that 2x plus 3y is the same. 2x plus 3y, this is taken as common, and 3x minus 2y is from the bracket. Now this is our answer. Thanks dear student for watching me.